So we got the CariFree Maintenance Rinse, the Anti-Cavity Oral Rinse, mint flavored. And they sent us this so we could show it to you. We got the big 16-ounce bottle and the little travel size too, which is really handy to just be able to drop into your bathroom bag, your travel bag when you're ready to when you need smaller versions of it and stuff. Really nice. It comes with a little cuppy cup so that you can measure, because what you're supposed to do is 10 mils, and you do it before you brush, and you swish it around in your mouth for about 60 seconds or so, and it is supposed to improve the balance of the pH in your mouth so that you're not as prone to having issues with your teeth. And I just did it just a few minutes ago, just before I made this video, just so I could tell you about it. It does have a really sharp minty flavor, really very, very minty, a little bit hot-ish, even not super hot, not super bad, not intolerable or anything like that, but it is a little bit of a hot minty flavor. It is sweetened with xylitol, so you definitely don't want to swallow it. You shouldn't be swallowing it anyway, but they say after you do the little rinse, then you can brush your teeth, and then wait at least 30 to 60 minutes before you eat anything, just so that you can give it a chance to do its thing in there before you start putting more food and beverage in there. So anyway, good stuff. I think I definitely can see using that once or twice a day. That would be good. Yeah. Thanks.